Welcome. Today or this class I am taking master question 3. See, master question 3 and master question 4. Master question 3 is for left side fixed, right side free. Master question 4 is for right side fixed, left side free. There is a reason for this one. You can make a note. Master question 1 and master question 2 previously considered are traditional. See, usually for cantilever solve, loading will be down. See, if the loading is down here, if the fixed support is here, see, it will rotate like this. That is, if free to rotate, reacting moment will be anti-clockwise. Whereas, if the fixed end is right side, when you apply load, see here, it will try to rotate like this. So FEM will be clockwise. This all I explained many times. But some rare cases, cantilevers will be subjected to not only downward load, but also upward loads. Some people will ask, where? Number one, competitive examinations. Like any competitive examinations, sometimes they give some upward load or a couple like this. But more importantly, in IES or GATE, such questions are frequently asked, just to test your capacity. Okay, leave it. Suppose someone will tell, no, I want only structural design to understand. Then go to retaining wall. In case of cantilever retaining wall, the base slab, heel slab and toe slab, both sides you have designed, you just believe me now. When you consider heel slab, the downward load is predominant. So it will bend like this. And upward pressure usually will be less predominant. But when you consider the toe slab, downward load is very small. Upward pressure is high. It will have reverse bending. Therefore, practically also, sometimes for a cantilever, see, such cantilever, when left side is fixed, see, usually loads will create moment like this. But this type of moment can come. Same way for right side fixed. Usually it will come this way, but sometimes this way can come. Or for that matter, purpose is to understand the subject. When all these are thoroughly understood, your level of knowledge will improve. The purpose of this course is to make the subject very simple for each and everybody. But remember, simple no doubt, but equally effective, so that those who are interested in learning, they get everything from me. Okay, now, master question 3, dictated. The question you dictate. For the given cantilever beam, directly I am giving now. Left side fixed all I will not give. Understood, sketch given. Find reactions at the support. For, see, question is this way. You should write the question. For the, you put the sketch in the question. Question 3, what I dictate now write. For the given cantilever beam, find reactions at supports for 3 questions, A, B and C. In A, write M equal to, here, 16 kilonewton meter. In B, write M equal to 30 kilonewton meter. In C, write M equal to 45 kilonewton meter. So that's why in the sketch M given, this 10 kilonewton will not change, 3 meter will not change, 1 meter will not change. Left side fixed, right side free will remain, but value of M will change. Now why I am doing that, you can make out, slowly you can make out. Start. This is a question. So master question 3, subdivision 3 questions are there. A is, when M is, this M is 16 kilonewton meter anti-clockwise. Question B is, M is 30 kilonewton meter. C is, M is 45 kN meter, one point load and couple. When I go to master question 4, I will put UDL with a couple, same way. 3 couples will be there. Okay. Solution. Class. What all I dictate right here. First, we will go for reactions, horizontal first of, instead of that way, fixed support, there will be horizontal reaction, vertical reaction and reacting moment. Here, you write, let HA be horizontal reaction. Sigma H equal to 0, HA equal to 0, over. Therefore, Now full class, we will not discuss about horizontal reaction. Now our most important is vertical reaction and reacting moment. Okay, now start. Option 1, systematic solution means you consider the reactions in a proper directions based on judgment if possible. If judgment is not possible, you consider whatever you want. If it is wrong, negative sign will come. You can make out now. That is option 1, systematic or as usual. Option 2 is here, direct. See the question, enter the answer. I will explain very thoroughly now. Start. Now, before that, for all 3 questions, 3A, 3B and 3C, let VA be the vertical reaction and MA be reacting moment at support A. See, I am not given direction here. That is, the reaction, vertical reaction is VA, up or down we will decide later. Reacting moment is MA, we will write here, over. Now, question 3A. Now I am solving question 3A, that is 3 meter, see 1 meter, 10 kilonewton. A is M, I won't put M here, see, here M, here what? M equal 16, anti-clockwise of 16 kilonewton meter. One small information, in yesterday's question, I gave a couple of 150 kilonewton meter in the question by words. But when I put the question here, I don't know why it happened, I wrote 160. But still, for calculation all, I took 150 only. So make a correction there. I put a comment there in the description I wrote. Sometime it happens. But if I did not see that couple, I don't know why that 160 came. Instead of 150, by mistake, I wrote 160. But still, for solving etc., I took 160 only. Only in the first sketch, I wrote 160. Change it to 150 kN meter. Start. Now, first step, direction of reaction to be assumed. What all I tell, you have to write. First, vertical reaction. See, this is a couple. Remember, this is a couple. Load, there is a vertically downward load. Action. So, reaction will be vertically up, guaranteed. Every class, I will not tell this one now. Every class means each and every case I won't tell. For all 3 cases, VA will take upward. Okay, then reacting moment MA. See now. Everything you write. If the couple is not there, when a left side fixed cantilever, when you apply load, see usually it will rotate like this. If it is free to rotate, or that load will try to rotate the beam with respect to fixed support in clockwise direction. Therefore, reacting moment will be anti-clockwise. Now, this couple will have opposite effect. See, but here, the load 10 kN will rotate it clockwise, but 16 is anti-clockwise. But if you observe correctly, 10 into 3 is 30 clockwise, 16 anti-clockwise. If they start fighting, which will win? Clockwise will win. Why? Because clockwise load will create a clockwise moment of 30. This is 16 anti-clockwise. Therefore, because of those two, the net will be surely clockwise. So balancing reaction anti-clockwise. Okay, you write it that way. But otherwise, you do one thing, right? Traditionally, for such, when cantilever is this way, you write reacting moment like this. Assume it. Okay, start. Sigma m about A0, clockwise positive. I told you repeatedly, when you apply equilibrium condition, you have to see the complete beam, not one side, full beam. Okay, start. Moment about A, you have to look this side and also this side. 10 into 3, clockwise. Minus 16. For 16, no distance. See, it is a couple. This 1 meter actually is not required. It is given, so we will write it. So, clockwise. Plus 10 into 3, minus 16. See here. Minus MA equal to 0. 30 minus 16 is plus 14. Minus MA 0. Your MA will come plus 14 kilonewton meter. Sigma V0 upward positive. Plus VA minus 10 equal to 0. VA will come plus 10 kilonewton. Now, class regarding sign. This is something else. See. What all I tell, write if you want, write it. I am telling from beginning of this engineering mechanics. We got positive sign for both VA and MA. The positive sign indicates that, see, when you took clockwise positive, you got positive. Some people will tell, so we took clockwise positive came, therefore clockwise. No, that is a wrong concept. When you decide the final answer, you should never see this sign. You should never see this one. Or you see sigma m. The sign convention has no effect on the answer. Even if you take anti-clockwise positive also, it will come plus 14 only. See there, minus 10 into 3, then plus 16 plus MA equal to 0. It will once again give you MA plus 14 only. This all one special class I am uploading, that is problem for sign convention. So sign convention has no effect on the answer. Now this I will not tell for each and every case now onwards. Remember, only once I will tell. Now onwards, remember, positive sign indicates that what direction you assumed is correct. So enter in the same direction. Write everything. Therefore, see, VA, we took upward, positive came upward 10. MA, we took anti-clockwise, answer came positive, correct. This is correct. Anti-clockwise of 14 kilonewton meter is the final support reaction. Traditional question over. Now, option 2, shortcut or direct. Now, what all I tell, you have to write. I will dictate, because shortcut is, see, actually what is shortcut? Directly over. That is once you get the control, see correctly. What all I tell, I will not write now. I will dictate, you write. Full I will dictate. First, we will go for, you write here. First we will go for vertical reaction VA. I will tell only once, because why? For all three questions, same. Load is down. So that is the action. Therefore, fixed support, only one support, vertical reaction VA is 10 kilonewton up. Over. Write it. Now I want this reacting moment. See, correctly. I told 1,000 times, you should consider moment about the fixed end. This not once I told, I am crying craft after class. You should take the finger and put it here. Find the net moment about this point. That is called action. Reverse is reaction. 10 into 3 is clockwise. See, no plus minus. 10 into 3 is 30 is clockwise. Unit I am not writing. 30 kilonewton meter is clockwise. And anti-clockwise of 16. No into. For couple there is no distance. So clockwise 30, anti-clockwise 16, right here. Therefore, net moment about A, fixed support, equal to 30 clockwise, 16 anti-clockwise is 14 clockwise. This is your action. Action. If the action is 14 kilometer meter clockwise, reaction is anti-clockwise MA equal to 14 kilonewton meter. Over. This question is over. Now I will go for question 3B. Just a minute. Now, solution for question 3B. B. Class. As usual, load is down, we will take upward reaction. One couple is clockwise, other is anti-clockwise. So traditionally, we will take anti-clockwise. We will see what happens. Okay, start. Take moment about A. Plus 10 into 3 minus 30 minus MA equal to 0. Oh, MA comes 0. Yes, it is 0. Question is set for that purpose. Sigma V0 I will not explain. Class, regarding sign all I told you. Therefore, support reaction will be as shown below. If you apply load of 10, couple of 30, vertical reaction VA, that's all. Do not enter any moment, or if you are that much eager, you write here this MA. Don't put arrow mark if you want. MA equal to 0. Okay, you took this way or that way, it hardly matters. 0. Now, why it came 0, you can make out here. Okay, start. Option 2, shortcut or direct. Start once again. Write everything I tell. Load is down, vertical reaction up 10. Okay, this is clear. Regarding moment, net moment about A, right here. Net moment about A, net moment about A, fixed end. 10 into 3 is clockwise 30. Anti-clockwise 30. Oh, clockwise 30, anti-clockwise 30. That means in this beam, whatever rotational effect is there due to 10 kilonewton about fixed end A, that is 30 kN in clockwise direction, is balanced by the rotational effect of that couple 30 anti-clockwise. Therefore, there is no rotation. That is, even if the support is simple support or pinned support, it will be stable. Why? Because it will not rotate, or there is no tendency of the loading on the beam to rotate the beam about A. So when there is no action, reaction is 0. So this question, only vertical reaction, reacting moment 0. If you are that much eager, right here, okay, MA equal to 0. Over. It is a special case. Okay, now I will go to question 3C. What is that one? 45 kilonewton meter. You should write everything separately. Remember, don't do what I am doing now. Okay. Start. Take moment about A. Now, once again, we will assume VA upward, MA anti-clockwise. Actually, this is wrong. Okay, you can make out now. See, take moment about A. Plus 10 into 3, plus 10 into 3, minus 45, no into, minus 45, then minus MA. Why minus MA? Because we considered MA in anti-clockwise direction. MA equals 0. Solve it here. See, 30 minus 45 is minus 15. Minus 15 minus MA 0. Oh, your MA will come minus 15 kilonewton meter. Sigma V0, I should not explain. Okay, now class, write what all I tell. When the time comes for final entry, see, this is 45 kN meter. KN meter, okay. Okay, this is 45. I'll change it now only. 45, 10. Okay, this I'll remove and I'll write later. Direct I'll write later. Okay, now write what all I tell. We took VA vertically upward. Answer came plus. When you consider sigma V0, we took upward positive. See, this you should never see. You should never see this one. You should never see it. Positive sign indicates that, see, this way. What direction you considered is correct or not, it will tell you. Positive sign means assumed direction is correct, enter in the same direction. Negative means assumed direction wrong, enter in opposite. As I told you, one exclusive class will come later, very powerful class. That is, the title will be some series I am doing it. Important concept for structural engineers or in structural engineering classes. Okay, start now. We took VA plus upward, positive value came correct. VA is over. MA, we took anti-clockwise. Why? Just like that. Why anti-clockwise? Usually you see, when the cantilever is this way, tendency, you think that, oh, this is anti-clockwise. Or in a hurry you took anti-clockwise. Okay. But answer came negative. Means what direction, you should write everything here. What direction you considered is wrong. The real MA is not anti-clockwise. It is clockwise direction, MA equal to how much? 15 kilonewton. No minus now. See, now you should not write minus sign. Some people make a blunder by writing minus 15. That is nonsense. 15 kilonewton meter is the final answer. Okay. Now, just to understand one new concept, see here. Just to understand. Okay. See, this is not required. Make a note here. Make a note. Somewhere outside, make a note. One note right here. You write the sketch once again. Write once again. Write the sketch once again. There, you write some logic, if it is possible for it. If you see, this sketch you write once again. See, load is down, VA is up is guaranteed correct. Guaranteed. But if you think a little, 10 into 3 is clockwise. 45 is anti-clockwise. Oh, this time the predominant is anti-clockwise. See, if there's a fight between those two, anti-clockwise will win. So this question, due to some reason, first time it happened about left hand, fixed hand, the action will come anti-clockwise. Therefore, do one thing. Since you know the concept, you assume it to be clockwise. Okay. So right here, question 3C class, write once again this statement once again, right there, we will assume VA upward and MA to be clockwise. Why? See, why means you can tell somebody, it is my will and wish. If wrong, a negative sign will come. Okay. Then you write this sketch here. Okay. Now, take moment about A. See what happens. Sigma V0 same. Sigma M about A equal to 0, clockwise positive. 10 into 3 is clockwise, plus 10 into 3. Minus 45, no into, minus 45. Then plus MA. Why plus MA? Clockwise. Plus MA equal to 0. 10 into 3, 30. 30 minus 45 is minus 15. Minus 15 plus MA 0. Therefore, your MA will come plus 15 kilonewton meter. Therefore, right now, statement. We took VA upward. Answer came positive. Correct. VA is upward. Write this. Once again, write this sketch also here. Final answer also write once again. Let's put that sketch. Then, we considered MA to be clockwise. Yes, MA came plus. Positive sign means assumed direction is correct. Therefore, MA is clockwise. Enter here. Or, I will tell you, see whether you assume it clockwise or anti-clockwise, whatever you assume, the final moment is guaranteed, reacting moment is clockwise 15. Nobody in the world can change it. Okay. See, this is a guaranteed answer. If you assume in the same direction, positive will come, correct. But earlier, when you assumed it in the reverse direction, why? Usually you take this way. Then negative sign came. The negative sign will tell you, no, you are wrong, change it. So after you consider sign and reverse the direction, when you enter, result is same for everybody, whether you assume it anti-clockwise or clockwise, whether you take clockwise positive or anti-clockwise positive, the final moment should be always like this for this beam. Okay, over. Now, direct shortcut. Very simple. See here. VA simple. Download up reaction. VA cleared. Now, find net moment. Net moment about A. Why A? Fixed support. Start. 10 into 3 clockwise equal to 30 clockwise. Anti-clockwise 45. No multiplying 45. Therefore, the action will be clockwise 30, anti-clockwise 45. Oh, net answer is, net action is anti-clockwise of 15 is the answer. Since the net action is anti-clockwise 15, the reaction will be clockwise of 15 kilonewton meter. This is the shortcut answer. Write everything. I think there is no mistake. See, sometimes due to some reason, when I change and write some number, I forget to change it. But I explained thoroughly. So don't make an issue of that one. Suppose by chance, in the final answer, I forgot to change this couple, but still write this 15. Someone will tell, that is last time 30 was there. Suppose I forgot to change it. You change it. You change it. When you do question 3C, see this problem. Such things you should not make issue. Human being, every day, every time, sometime what happens is, you cannot expect each and everything to be copied as it is. Some oversighting will come, but technical mistake I will not commit. That is guaranteed. I will never give any wrong information. Okay, this is over now. Your master question 3 over. Go through thoroughly. Next class, I will go for master question 4, where fixed support is right side. There also load and couple. I will enter point load. I will go for UDL. Sufficient. What I want is the reversal I want. Then other class onwards, systematically, one by one, we will start finding reaction for cantilever, like simply supported marathon process. Once that is over, then I will go for, once again I will go to simply support beam, then I will include overhanging beam also. Again cantilever will come, all combination of loads till each and every case is covered. Okay, thank you. We will meet in the next class.